Hello, welcome to another Chi-Prime video where we solve another problem for the GMAT. As usual, I'll give you a second to pause the video if you'd like to read the question and solve the problem by yourself, and then we'll work together to solve it. All right, let's begin. Here we're given a polynomial and we're asked what the quotient and remainder would be if it were to be divided by x plus 1. All right, so let's solve this two different ways. Under exam conditions, probably the fastest way to do this would be to determine that x plus 1 times some number, some other expression, let's call it ax plus b, would have to give 2x squared plus 3x, something like that. So looking at x plus 1, we see that it is likely that a would be equal to 2, right? Because you want 2x squared. So that eliminates b, right? So if I have a, b, c, and d, that eliminates b, because b has 3x plus 2, and x times 3x would be 3x squared, whereas we want 2x squared. So that still leaves options a and c, right? And d, well, we'll see. All right, so then we multiply x plus 1. Let's try a times 2x plus 1. And that gives 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1. So that's 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, which is short the original polynomial we're given by 4, which leads us to believe this is workable if r is equal to 4. It's a possibility, right? And lo and behold, option C is exactly that. The quotient is 2x plus 1, and the remainder is 4. So option C is the option we want. Well, that's one way to solve it, by inspection and by looking at the options that are given to you. Another way to solve this problem is by using the method of synthetic division. So here we do it as follows. X plus 1 is the expression we want to divide by. So x equals minus 1. We write the expression 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 in the order of the exponents. There are no missing exponents. They're all covered. X squared, x, and x to the 0. That's the constant term. So we write it as 2, 3, and 5. Quotient was I'm sorry, x equals minus 1. So we put that here. We carry the 2 down. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. 3 minus 2 is a 1. 1 times minus 1 is a minus 1, right? We do this, and then we flip this. 1 times minus 1 is a minus 1. And that gives a total of 4. 4 is our remainder. And then here, this is x to the 0. This is x to the 1. So 2x plus 1 is the quotient. And 4 is the remainder. The divisor is x plus 1. So there you have it. This is an analytical way using synthetic division of obtaining the same solution. So what we want again is q equals 2x plus 1 and r equals 4. Option C. Thank you for watching.